Okay, one-on-one. This is real talk, okay? Are you a food lover? Huh? Are you a food lover? Because every time I'm here in the kitchen and you are there. You are watching me. But I am not eating and I will not give you food. Sorry, I don't have the authority to give you food for now because your mom is coming. Okay? Okay, Leo? And the other one is there's going to find another food. Sorry, I cannot give you food. Later because already full of you, both of you. Snowy. They're looking for the empty. See? Because their mom said don't give food because they're already full. Later they're coming. Okay? When they come, they will give you food. Just a few minutes. Maybe they're coming by 12. So, I'm leaving by 12 also. So, both of you will need to wait. Okay? Okay, guys? Love you guys. Bye-bye.